Hey it's Angeline here. I'm back with a crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this shadow box shaker card. So first I'm grabbing this Entanglement border background by Unity Stamp and this little Boo's cute stamp set which I've already colored and cut. So I'm just setting that aside first. And I'm going to color the background using my Davenport watercolors. So I'm just grabbing the water brush here and just grabbing the greens, the purples, and mixing some orange as the background. So how do you make orange? It's just mixing the red and also the yellow together, and there you go, some orange. So I'm just loosely coloring the background and setting that aside first. And I'm grabbing a piece of silver foam here which I've already cut to size, and grabbing a rectangle die with some purple tape to adhere to run it through my big shot to create this frame. Then I'm grabbing some glue here and just putting it right on the frame here using my fingers to just spread it out nicely on the frame itself. Then I'm grabbing a piece of acetate and just putting it right behind the frame. This will create the window for your shaker card. So I'm grabbing some foam adhesive tape here which I've already doubled it up to create some depth, but because I want to create a shadow box, I'm going to ×2 of that, so there will be 4 layers of foam tape here. So I'm carefully aligning it together to create the 4 layers of foam tape, so to put around the frame to create some depth and dimension. So as you can see, I'm placing the foam tape at the back of the frame so that from the front of the card you will not be able to see the foam tape peeking through. And I'm just gonna set this aside first, and I'm going back to the background here. And you can see for my little Boo's set here, I've also put some foam tape right behind so that they kind of pop up and create some dimension on the card. So because my card has a frame, I'm trying to place the elements closer to the middle of the card so that it will not be hidden by the frame. Before you adhere the frame to your background, it's time to put some fun elements in your shaker card. Here I'm using some pretty Pink Posh purple beads and also some sequins from Scrappiness. So once you're happy with it, it's time to adhere your background to your frame. Just carefully align it and adhere it to the foam tape, and ta-da! Here is your shadow box shaker card, a fun 3D element to create for a decoration or as a card. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip technique today, and thanks for watching.